So before you do any addition to your home, think of the bigger picture. Think of how these spaces are gonna connect to each other, and make sure you hire a professional, because what happens is when you do additions, you are creating moments within your structure of your home that could be affected in areas of high wind flows, like in front of the water and things like that. And things like that could happen. So please make sure you hire professionals in order to accomplish your designs and in a way that is appropriate to your location. So thank you.
3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.
Trabalhando em Flow Design Architects.
欢迎来到 Flow 设计工作室。
Karibu Flow Design Architects, kampuni inayofanya kazi na wewe na kwa ajili yako.
Bienvenidos a Flow Design Architects, una compañía que trabaja para ti y por ti.
We understand your projects and your properties are actually your biggest investment. And because of that, we take it very seriously. Flow Design was founded in 2017 as a design office that thought of creating a new kind of office, an office that cares about diversity in the field of architecture, but also in how that diversity can be leveraged to benefit you as a client and also our communities. Most of our projects are created by a diverse team from all over the world. And although our office is relatively small, we create big projects and try to create big ideas. Welcome to Flow Design Architects.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you. Thank you for watching.